How to make your own sound on Snapchat. First, open the App Store, iPhone users, or Google Play Store, Android users. Search for the Snapchat app and select it. Then tap on Update if available. Then open the Snapchat app. Decide whether to record a video first or add sound first. For this tutorial, record a video first. Capture a simple video to use for this demonstration. After recording, tap the music icon on the right side of the screen to open the music gallery. In the music gallery, tap on Create Sound. You'll be presented with two options: upload a video from your camera roll from Extract Audio, or record sound directly. Choose to record a new sound. Ensure any desired music or sound is playing in the background. Record your sound. Once done, name your sound, e.g., favorite. Tap Save Sound to store your custom sound. To use your newly created sound, navigate to My Favorites in the music library. Select My Sounds to see a list of all your custom sounds. Choose your sound to add it to your Snapchat videos. Once added, now can share your video as a story or snap to your friends. And that's it.